left onto Ely Collar Street.
Yeah, you can eat it.
Pero acá, porque tú estás tan pálido.
¿Ah?
Porque tú estás tan pálido.
No soy pálido. Lo que pasa es que, bueno, estoy pálido, pues.
What did you think?
Taste 3 out of 5, not bad, not good, whatever. Value 3 out of 5 in terms of money, but 2 out of 5 because you have to take 20 minutes to get it.
Oh.
Overall, okay.
20 minutes.
Don't know why it's popular.
It's extremely popular. There's always a line in here. So I don't know why. It's taped everywhere. Very nice. Yum. Yum.
A few moments later.
Hem vingut a Walmart i ja hi ha les coses de Halloween. When is Halloween, babe?
2 months. October 30 something, right?
Sí, és a finals d'octubre, el Halloween, i estem a començament d'agost. I ja estan venint les galetes. I me sembla una miqueta fort.